Good morning, friends. Today we discuss about the electronegativity. Electronegativity, what is meant by the electronegativity? Electronegativity in the periodic table, the electronegativity is increases from left to right in the periodic table. If we discuss about the p block elements, that is the p block elements in the periods, that is the left to right, electronegativity is increases. Along a group, the electronegativity is decreases due to the number of cells are increases. Number of cells are increases, as well as the atomic size or the ionic size is increases. That's why the electronegativity is increases. What is meant by electronegativity? From left to right in the periodic table, what happen? That is the number of cells are same. The continuously one electron is added in the outermost cell, and the extra nuclear charge is increases. Due to that extra nuclear charge increased, the attraction between the electrons present in the outermost cell and the nucleus is increases. As the nuclear charge is increases, the attraction between the nucleus and the electron present in the outermost cell is increases. It means that the bond length or the ionic size or the atomic size is continuously increases. The actual definition of the electronegativity is the tendency of an atoms or ions, it attract the electron towards itself. It attract the electron more towards itself, is known as the electronegativity. The electronegativities of p block elements, already we discussed about the moving from left to right, the increases. If we go from if we go down groups, the electronegativity is decreases due to the atomic size or the ionic size, and why the electronegativity is decreases along a period, that is the electrons are more tightly binding with the nucleus from left to right in the periodic table. Electronegativity is decreases on descending a group in the periodic table. This is because of increase in size of the atoms. Along a period, electronegativity is increases, but along a groups, the electronegativity is decreases because the number of cells are continuously increases. That is, the atomic size is increases, atomic or the ionic size is increases. That's why the attraction between the nucleus and the electron present in the outermost cell is decreases. That's why the electronegativity is decreases along the groups. This is because of the increase in size of the atoms, and so that added the electrons remains farther from the nucleus and is thus hold less tightly with the electrons present in the outermost cell. So this is the electronegativity terms of the p block elements, and then we discuss about the metallic characters. The metallic character of the element is decreases on descending a vertical groups in a periodic table, but decreases on moving from left to right across a period. The metallic character from top to bottom in the periodic table the metallic character is increases but decreases in the decreases on moving from left to right in the periodic table. As a result, and these trends of variations in the metallic characters, the element with strong metallic characters are found in lower portion of the p block elements, while those with strong non-metallic characters are found in upper right portion of the p block element, that is the carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine, which possesses the non-metallic characters, and the strong metallic characters we possesses the properties like metallic character properties are found at the lower portion of the p block elements, that is the thulium, lead, bismuth, these elements which possess the metallic characters, and the carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, these elements which possesses the non-metallic characters. Lying in between these two elements or these two portions, extreme exhibits the characteristics of both metal as well as the non-metallic properties. That is, the metals in between metallic as well as the non-metallic, some metals are present, and that metals which possesses the metallic as well as the non-metallic characters, that elements are known as the metalloidal elements. For example, boron, aluminum, silicon, germanium, arsenic, tellurium, polonium and astatine is the radioactive element, and these elements are called as the metalloids which possesses the metallic as well as the non-metallic characters. Then we discuss about the terms of melting and boiling points. Melting and boiling points are generally decreases with increase in metallic characters. As the metallic character is increases, the melting and boiling point is decreases. The melting point and boiling point increases as we move from lithium to carbon in the same period as the metallic character is decreases in same order. It means that the metallic character is decreases along a period as we moving from left to right in the periodic table. But the melting and boiling point as we move from left to right in the periodic table, melting and boiling point is increases. As the size of the atoms or the atomic size is decreases, the bonding between the nucleus and the electron present in the outermost shell is strongly bonding it takes place. That's why the melting point and boiling point is increases along a period. That is, the metallic character is decreases along a period in same order. However, the remaining elements of the same period, that is the nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, are the gases at ordinary temperatures. The melting and boiling point of the first four elements, we will discuss about the lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon. The melting point of lithium is 454 Kelvin. Beryllium, element of beryllium, that is 1550 Kelvin. Boron having the melting point is 2303 Kelvin, and carbon having the 42.03 Kelvin. That is, it means that the melting point is continuously, gradually is increases. If we discuss about the boiling point in Kelvin, that is lithium having the boiling point is 1603, Then beryllium having the boiling point is 3000 not 334 Kelvin boiling point. It and then the boron having the boiling point is 2823 and carbon having the boiling point is 50 5103. This is the 103 Kelvin of boiling point. That is, it means that if we observe the values of these elements, they gradually the melting and boiling point is increases along a period. Then we discuss about the terms, that is the density in solid states. Densities of p block elements generally increases on descending vertical groups in a periodic table, and invariability decreases on moving from left to right in a along a period. That is, if we moving from left to right in the periodic table, the melting, that is the densities is decreases, density of the element is decreases if we go from along a period. If we discuss about the along a period, that is the densities of the elements is increases. Then we discuss about the oxidizing and reducing properties of the p block element. Oxidation is a process in which the electrons are lost, and the reduction is a process in which the electrons are gained. Yes, already we discussed about the what happen in case of the oxidation process, that is the electrons are lost, and in the reduction process the electrons are gained. It takes place in this process, oxidation and reduction process. Thus an oxidizing agent is a substance which can takes place the electrons, while reducing agent is a substance which supplies the electrons. Reducing agent which supplies the electrons, oxidizing agent which gains or the take up the electrons. The electrons of low ionization energy. The electrons of low ionization energy will have greater tendency to lose the electrons than those of higher ionization energy. If suppose an element of lithium, if we discuss about the lithium having the low ionization energy, that is the lithium having the low ionization energy, the valency or the electronic configuration of the lithium is 1s2 2s1. It means that in the outermost shell only one electron is present. That's why this lithium atom is easily donate the electrons. That's why the lithium having the low ionization energy. If we discuss about the fluorine having the more ionization energy, that is the outer electronic configuration of the fluorine atom is 1s. Complete electronic configuration of the fluorine atom is 1s2 2s2 2p5. It means that in the p orbital the 5 electrons are present. It requires only one electron. That's why the more tendency to attract the electron towards itself, that is the efficiency or the ionization energy or the electronegativity of fluorine atom is more than that of the lithium atoms. That's why the electron having low ionization energy will have the greater tendency to lose electrons than those of the higher ionization energy. Since the ionization energy increase and the oxidation potential of p block element is decreases with rising atomic number in a period. Oxidation potential is decreases. Ionization, if the ionization energy is increases, then the oxidation potential of the p block element along a period, that is the along a period, the is decreases. Then the reducing properties decreases from groups number 13 to 17, and their oxidizing properties is increases in the same order. Reducing character, that is the reducing character is increases we moving from right to left, and the oxidizing character is increases as we move from left to right in the periodic table. Then in the third period of the first element, that is the sodium of a group 1 is strong reducing agent. The last element chlorine of group 17 strong oxidizing agent. That is the sodium having the strong reducing agent and the chlorine having the strong oxidizing agent. The intermediate element silicon, phosphorus, sulfur have only intermediate characters, that is which possesses the metalloidal properties. Metalloidal properties. In a group, the ionization energy decreases. In a groups, ionization energy decreases on moving from top to bottom in the periodic table. Hence, the reducing character is increases. Reducing character is increases and oxidizing character is decreases moving from down a group. What happen in case of the along a period and down a group? The down a group oxidizing character is decreases. Down a group oxidizing character is decreases and the reducing character is increases from top to bottom in the periodic table. This is the oxidizing and the reducing characters of the p block elements.